Hello and welcome back to Leader Insights on the Go. Today I'm going to focus on a short paragraph from Be Empowered Leader. And I wanted to have a conversation about this really unique theme that I don't often hear people talking about, but I think it's important. And that is understanding power and non-power group dynamics. Why this is important. In any work environment, we are expected to live by a chain of command. And there are standards to that. I'm going to read a short paragraph and then I'm going to leave you with some reflective thoughts on that. Understanding power and non-power group dynamics. Most work environments operate within a defined chain of command. This structure is essential for holding each other accountable and ensuring that responsibilities are clear. However, challenges often arise when team members feel disempowered, as they may perceive that their voices are not heard or that they are excluded from the decision-making process. This sense of exclusion can lead to detrimental lack of communication about how each role contributes uniquely to the overall success of the company, creating silos that hinder collaboration. I think it's really important that we understand how the power dynamics in a group work. I think as leaders, we have the opportunity to have those honest conversations so that our teams can adapt to the different expectations of the group and the organizational culture. I think it is fair to say that every organization needs a chain of command. We need to be able to know what, when, and where, and the how. It is in the communication that we are going to succeed in allowing our teams to feel not only heard, but seen and understood. Power dynamics begin to create dissonance when a decision is made that has not been shared, discussed, or anyone has asked for someone else's perspective, particularly if it affects the group directly. And I think that's when we begin to see the power dynamics that begin to create a divide. The goal is, while we understand that there is an accountability process, we also need to understand that it is okay to communicate, to share expectations, and to focus on what it is that is going to affect our teams directly. And so think about the next time that you're making decisions and holding people accountable, where do you fall in that power and non-power group?